first of all, I'm going to have a look at Desfield Place, where I grew up.
Okay. So interview just finished, Harry. So we're going to the beach. Harry, look at tadi sih. Duduk kau Harry, bagus, bagus. Harry, duduk, bagus. Clever boy, clever boy. Jadi tadi Abang John sudah selesai panelnya di BBC. Sekarang kita mau jalan-jalan dulu ya kan Hari? Jadi naking dunga say si Abang dari BBC naking ibana panalna. Jadi kami laho tu jauh pantai merdela-dela nih membawa si Hari. Ya Hari? Horas natulang apa kabar? Jadi kami laho mamereng tempat tiki di dia berem misi jonot tiki dak danak. It's like yes old school, but. Yeah. Jadi amma tiki I persekolahan ni si John.
That's where Jansen lived. But now it's been converted into flats, I think.
Amma na hinan sekolah di sama na hinan sekolah ni si John. Tiki SD. Jadi on ada tempat di Aberdeen. Gereja.
That's where the sweet shop used to be.
That one.
That one.
Nostalgia si John.
Not that shop.
Horas udah apa kabar? Sekarang jam 10:10 pagi. Go. Jadi sangat nama mula situasi di Aberdeen Sonari. Kita dengar radio juga ya. Horasian Aberdeen. Jadi tempat itu di sama si John tiki dak danak. Nostalgia amat tay. Aneng patuduh waktu si Hari. Di mana rumah mereka waktu kecil, ya kan Hari? Jadi di semua tempat ni si John tiki dak danak.
Okay, look out from the number 85, and then we have to stop.
Jadi tiki dak danak si John di sama ibana.
Looks pretty similar.
Nomor 25.
They still haven't even changed the.
Jadi di sama si John tiki dak danak. Nomor 25. Nomor ni Jabuna. Waktu masih kecil. How old were you?
What do you mean?
When you grew up in here?
When I grew up in here?
Yeah. Until
from sort of 3 or 4 to wow, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but you spend your itulah rumah.
Okay, looks pretty similar to me.
Yes, it's not changed, darling.
It's
not changed. Nostalgia amat si John menunjukkan sama si Hari di mana di waktu anak-anak. Well, you just taking us to the old place. Hari, mana kakimu? Oh, ya mak gebe hoda repot. Yeah. Huh? Where are we going? Oh, there is a small road in here. sama belakang ni Jabuinon. Belakang ni Jabuinon. So where was the garage for the house back?
It's about here. Quite
Jadi
a big garage, isn't it?
it's this one I think.
No, don't think so. I think maybe it's these two actually.
Jadi Okiama
It's that.
tempat ni mobil.
I think it's this 95, aren't they?
We miles away down.
95, 93.
No, it's 85 we want.
Is that? It's this one, I think.
This one.
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah. Jadi
Can't
Okiama
see anything.
entrance yang belakang.
I can't see anything.
Okay.
That's fine.
So we go to the beach,
If
baby.
you like, yeah.
Please.
Okay.
Please, Hari. Duduk kamu di sana, Hari. Hari, disokok. Come on. Hari. Lama-lama ni si Hari nama. Jadi molo Aberdeen on di tepi ni laut doh. Jadi car baby. Oh, let us go. Go. Thank you.
Oh gosh, chemist is still there. And golf license. And co-op. Alcohol. Yeah. Nothing changed.
Nothing changed on it.
Well, nothing's changed. Okay.
Jadi area on salah satu tempat yang bagus lah di Aberdeen.
That's Queen Victoria.
Go. Gereja bagus.
Oh gosh, what's happening there?
Drainage? Oh, it's my God. I think it's fire, man. Si Hari dengan setia ikut terus. Ya kan, Hari? Jadi kita Hari mambil live asa di bawah tempat militer do ngatas dong dia do Scotland dia on. Gereja di mana-mana. Ngapi ke gereja Huida. Ada 5 kurasa. Di setiap corner ada gereja. Itu pun satu lagi gereja. Jadi ngaonom Huida gereja. Hape 3 kilometer depe. Duduk kau Hari bagus. Duduk kau biar jangan sakit kakimu. Duduk kau. Duduk kau Hari bobo. That's it. Good boy. Good boy. That's it. Good boy. That's it. Good boy Hari.
My old school.
Which one?
That one.
Di situlah dulu si John waktu dia sekolah. Jadi kalau di Inggris atau Scotland ya, olo do jolma pida tu sada tempat alani leke ni sekolahna. Alana malo kebudayaan di Inggrison do di Scotland dia on kalangan menengah ke atas nih ngomah. Pendidikan untuk anak mereka itu yang paling diutamakan. Jadi molo sekolah do di ni di Inggris do di Scotland dion di si tempat na bagak di si ma sekolah na bagak. Jadi si pata songon na Indonesia do molo parhepeng do berpendidikan orang tua na beruntung ma alana boy halaki pida tu tempat na jeges baru boy mahalaki lau tu sekolah na mantap. Jadi songono bangunan di Scotland dia. Oh, we can see the beach. Is that the beach, babe? No, it's not.
No, not that beach yet.
Not yet. Salam dari Skotlandia, marudan-udan. Hari, bagus kau duduk. Kita mau ke pantai hari.
Terrace gardens, which they keep talking about. Free landscaping. Stop. Yeah. It's quite many questions on that panel. Yeah.
But I think it's quite disorganized.
I don't know. I suppose that's supposed to be sort of part of the attraction of it. It's not too scripted and organised.
Jadi songono cuaca di Scotland dia molo pas Desember matane hari dang terida. Jadi songono molo modeni bangunan. Darling. Selamat pagi dari Aberdeen, Skotlandia.
Raining.
Hujan, udan. So we go straight ya bang?
Yeah, so.
Okay. Jadi hari melohi ta live mar Facebook ta sapur-sapur doka bahasana, bahasa Inggris, bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Batak alana. Adong dodong atta holan bahasa Inggris di boto, adong dodong atta hola bahasa Indonesia di boto. Bah si Harion. Buka jendela sendiri bana. Terlalu pintar kau hari. Apa pada hari? Tutup. Hari ngali nau. Bah si Harion. Itu oma kapal laho tu nih. Oh, ni kan bang? Setland.
A lot of the most of the boats that are servicing the weekend.
Hari kedinginan hari tutupi jendela hari turun Kalian hari, bah. Turun. Bagus. Sonino pintar, Mak. Sini Kak Hari, sini. Hari, sini. Dah, sini Kak. Sini Kak Hari. Hari sini. Here Hari. Kau tahu naik si Hari. Dah, sit. No, di situ kau duduk. Capek aku. Dah, sit. Good boy. We're going to the beach, Harry. Lah tahu pantai kan, Harry? Can we stop near the beach, Abang? Just to
Okay,
watch?
if you really want to.
Yeah, we're not gonna go out. Road udan, keras. Kalau mereng low tipe. So keluar pa tayo ito. Harry, you so good. You're a good boy, Harry. Ya kan? Harry Hudul. Good boy. Batang Terida. You can't see the sea, Abang.
Yes, you can.
Belum nak. Okay, Batang Terida. Harry, sit down, Harry. Abang, can we park?
Try.
Yeah, you can. You can do it. Look. Anywhere around here, darling. There's one behind the white car.
Don't worry, it goes on for miles.
Here, Abang. Yeah. Yeah, Harry. Do you want to go out, Harry? Do you want to get out, Harry?
Probably not.
Yeah, have you got coat?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on then. Harry, mari kita jeda, Mardala ni dah, Harry. Come on, Harry. Aku mau jaketku, Harry. Ayo, Harry. Do we need so we let Harry free?
Not on this traffic.
Nah, mana? Let's go, Harry, out. Come on. Kita ke pantai dulu sebentar ya. Agak raudan. That way, Harry. That way. Raudan. Haha. Turn your jacket, Abang. You got your black jacket in here, yeah. So you're not gonna get rain. Nah. Okay. Abang, I can't put the car down. Yeah. Okay. Jadi sonari kami di pantai Abadin. Allah songono mak. Eta Hari, come on Hari, come on Hari, let's go, let's go. Can I put Hari free ya bang? Ya?
Maybe when we're down here on the beach. Let's get
Okay.
that very good.
Yeah, Hari want to be free on the beach. Come on Hari, come on. Wait Hari, wait, wait, wait. Dah, come on. Hari, 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 now. This way, Hari. Oba kejo, ngelina pa sa tanggong. Ha. Hari, come on, quickly. Yay, we are on the beach, Hari. Come on. Abang, tell us where we are now.
We're on Aberdeen Beach.
Yeah, explain a bit more.
Well, this is quite a famous part of the northeast coast. You see this beautiful sandy beach that stretches for miles up this part of the coastline.
Yeah.
And Aberdeen used to be called the Silver City with the Golden Sands.
What does it mean? Is it because oil or what is it?
No, just the Silver City with all the granite.
Okay.
Golden Sand.
Now tell me, did you used to come here when you were a kid?
We came here quite a lot.
Quite a lot, okay. Jadi di do amat tahun ni sering doon na iba na roto sa tikidak danak. Salam hangat dari Skotlandia kepada tuise patahon ay di Indonesia. Hari rak mahita dalam merdalan tu ahon tu pantai. Ala ngeli. Oh, look at Hari, so happy. Si Hari bahagia kali si Hari. Hari, yes Hari. Awang si Hari na medyo lasir rohana. Lasir rohani si Hari. You happy Hari? Jadi sekarang masih situasi di Skotlandia on nih. Gulap tangadong mata ni Hari. Ala si Hari happy. Oh, Hari so happy. Jadi ikon tiopok kujo ahon laut oba. Come on Hari. Come on Hari. Come on Hari. Woo. Ngelinay.
Water, Sally.
Hari, Hari, come on, Hari, come on, Hari. Hi, Annette. How are you? We miss you. Hari, say hello to Auntie Annette. Say hello, Hari. Tuwi sampai kamu na menonton Oma Guarna Aberdeen Aberdeen Pelabuhan Aberdeen. Harry, Harry, you okay? Hi, Boat and Harry. Hello. Udah kedinginan. Ngeliebe. Kalau pas summer, tahu mau di sini, tapi ini nggak summer ya. Dingin kali. Ajakin kita lah itu, tama itoku. Roma itu tuh sonne merdalan, sarak merdala kita. Ida mani aha may son ni siya pianan ngalina so tanggung mata ni are pe so sorong terida. Udan. Asahi aja si Haryon nih tuh pantai. So which way did we go? That way? Come on then, Harry. Harry's loving it.
Yeah, so it's funny. You remember when we went down to the coast?
Yeah.
The North Devon coast.
Yeah.
He didn't seem to particularly like it, did he? He didn't seem particularly.
He was unsure because it was his first time. I hope you have a bag.
I do actually.
Because Harry. Ini di kota Aberdeen ya. Jadi di kota Aberdeen do guarni tempat namanya Saunari. Salah satu kota di Skotlandia. Skotlandia on berbatasan dengan Inggris. Salah satu negara persatuan United Kingdom. Olan informasi. Can you tell me what time the tide's coming?
I don't know.
About 4 o'clock?
I don't know. Let's look it up. Well, I would guess the tide is currently coming in.
Coming in.
I'm not very good at
Yeah.
working out if it's coming in or going out.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
it's not high tide. It's not low tide. That's
Okay.
for sure.
But usually the water will come here, right?
At high tide, yeah,
Yeah.
it'll come up to here. Well,
Ya. Jadi malo anon ni botari gabe sampai sahak ma tuson ni icon. Lauti amin. Come on, Harry. Well done, Harry. You're enjoying, Harry. Tama bang. Yuk. Yuk, let's go. Let's go, Harry. Harry, that's enough. Let's go. Harry doesn't want to go home. Eta mula ngaraudan. Eta Harry, kau aja ngaraudan. Mama tahu ni biar. Masabi ba ngalipang. Malah si harian omanya nih ulah-ulahnya berdalan nih terus. Let's go, Harry. Come on, Harry. This way, Harry. Get in. Get in. In, Harry. In. Not my jacket, Harry. Ama nga kotor jacket tiba si Harry. Harry, kau bandel kau bah. Okay. Okay. So ngani ma jo teh. Nunga mantau nu HP kipong. So ngano maju live town. Mula maju tu je bu. Okay. Alright, bye bye.